In this video, we will learn how to do NS200 full service in detail. Open 2 bolts and remove engine cowl. Open oil drainer bolt. Take out oil filter. Open oil filter cover. Remove it carefully. Now take oil filter out. This is new oil filter. Install new OIL filter. Install oil filter cover. Install 8mm bolts. I'm using Moto 20W 50 EMA2 4T engine only. Open oil gaze. Fill engine only careful. Open master cylinder cover and cheek disc brake oil. Yes, there is enough oil. Install screw bolts. Open spark plug. Clean spark plug with sandpaper. Reinstall the spark plug. Very careful. Check all electronic that they are working or not. Indicator is working. Flasher is also working. Now the most important work. Changing air filter. Call someone to hold fuel tank. In my case, there is nobody, so I'm struggling on myself. Open screw of air filter cover. Remove filter cover. This is original Bajaj NS200 air filter. Clean air filter cover. Assemble air filter and cove. Reinstall the air filter. Install all bolts of fuel tank. Apply chain lube for chain lubrication. Servicing is done. Let's go for test ride.